Welcome dear students. I am Mrs. Ritu Soni, your computer teacher. In the previous video, we have learned about basic terms of computer. In this video, we will learn about how to open MS Paint, uses of different tools, and how to do the drawing in MS Paint. Now, let's start. Now, let's see the steps how to open MS Paint. Okay. In the previous video, we have learned, children, some basic terms of computer. You can see this one arrow. This is called mouse pointer. What its name? Mouse pointer. To open MS Paint, place the mouse pointer on the start button. See, this is start button. Then once click. After that, go to all programs. Click on that. Then go to accessories. Here you can see paint option. Click on that. See, MS Paint window will be open. There are different types of tools in MS Paint. You can see here this one is pencil tool. Pencil tool is used to draw a free-form line with the selected line width. Okay, if you want to use it, just click once, then left click, hold it, and then you can draw. Okay, if you want to change the width, so you can change the width from here. Click on the size, then click. So pencil width will be changed. Okay, next one is eraser tool. Eraser part of the picture and replace it with the background color. Click on that. See, just click once, then start. Next one is shapes. There are different type of predefined shapes to draw the image. You can see this one is line tool. Next one is curve tool. You can see this is oval tool. This one rectangle. Triangle, diamond, star, and so on. If you want to change the color of outline, so you can change. See color 1, select any one color which you want. Click on that, then select the shape and draw it. Okay, if you want to fill the color, select fill with color tool. Click on the shape which you want to color. Okay, if you want more colors, so see this one is added color option. Select any one color. Click on added color option. From here you can create a new color if you want. You can see color solid. The color will become like this. Click OK button. See, new color comes. Then click where you want to fill the color. Okay. See children, there is one more option. This is brushes. There are different type of brush to fill different way of color. See, for example, if you select this one, air brush. Click on that, select the color, then color the image. See, you can see the effect. See, this is not a solid color. Okay, if you want to select any other, so you can see. Okay, see, like this you can fill the image. Okay, now see one more option. There is selection. If you want to change the size of an image, अगर आपको इमेज का साइज चेंज करना है तो आप कैसे करेंगे? सी, देयर इज अ सिलेक्ट ऑप्शन. क्लिक ऑन दैट, क्लिक rectangular selection, then select any one image which you want to resize. There is one dotted box. If you want to resize, just click any one corner and click and drag it. So picture will be resized. Okay, how to do? Select rectangular selection, click on the image and change its size. Okay, now we have learned about different tools. So what you will do, this is a homework for you. You have to do the practice of these all tools. Just click any one tools, draw it and see the effect. Okay, now we will learn how to do the drawing, how to use these all the tools for doing a drawing. Okay, now let's learn how to change the background color. See children, this one white color, this is called background. When the paint window is opened, by default the color of background is white. जब हम पेंट विंडो ओपन करते हैं तो बाय डिफॉल्ट जो बैकग्राउंड का कलर होता है वो व्हाइट होता है. यू कैन चेंज द कलर ऑफ द बैकग्राउंड एज एंड व्हेन यू नीड. टू चेंज द बैकग्राउंड कलर ऑफ योर ड्राइंग, सी द स्टेप. फर्स्ट, click color 2, then select any one color which you want, then click the fill with color tool. See this one tools group, click fill with color tool and move the mouse pointer onto the drawing area, then right click. See, background color is changed. If you want any other color, so select color 2, color, then fill with color and right click. So in this way you can change the background color. Now let's learn how to use cut, copy and paste option. So children, select any one shape, for example oval shape, draw it. Suppose this one is eyes. If we want to copy this small circle, if we want one copy of this small circle, so first we have to use select tool, rectangular selection, select this one small circle, then click copy option. Okay, click on the blank area, then select paste option. See, copy is created. Then move this one in desired location. Okay, adjust the size. Then we select this one, curve tool. Click and drag and a little bit curve. See, this way we can use the copy and paste option. If we want to color this smiley, so we can first select fill with color tool, then select color and click on the image. For eyes, select black color and fill it. In this way, you can draw the picture and color the picture. Now, next is undo and redo operations. Undo and redo are two of the most useful operations in Paint. If you make a mistake, the undo operation can be used to go back to the last action done. Redo is opposite of undo. The redo command replies the last action that undo had changed. Let's see children. Undo और redo Paint में options हैं C. This one is undo option and shortcut key for undo is Ctrl plus Z. And this one is redo option and shortcut key for redo Ctrl plus Y. Undo option we are using if we have done the mistake or we want to go back last action, so we can use the undo option. If we don't want the changes what we have done with the use of undo option, so we can use the redo option. Okay, now let's see. For example, select any one shape and draw it. First step, draw the shape, select any one color, fill with color tool, fill the shape. And if we want that black one color which we have done, so how to go back? See, click on undo button. By mistake we have done this one color, so it's come. Now if we want to go back one more step, so click again, then blank. Okay, if we don't want these changes, अगर हमें ये changes नहीं चाहिए हैं जो हमने undo option से किए हैं, again click redo. See, first this one color come, again click, this one color comes. Okay, now next one is how to use delete option. यदि किसी इमेज को हमें डिलीट करना होता है तो कैसे डिलीट करेंगे? For delete the image, first you have to select the image. So how to select? See this one select option, click on that, select rectangular selection, select the image. So and then press delete key from the keyboard. Is how to rotate the image. To rotate the image, select the portion of the image using rectangular selection or freeform selection. Rectangular selections में से पहले हम image को select करेंगे जो portion हमें rotate करना है. After that, in home tab there is one option rotate. Click on that. There is this different option, rotate right 90 degree, rotate left 90 degree, rotate 180 degree, flip vertically, flip horizontally, rotate right 90 degree. So in which direction you want to rotate your picture, you can. Suppose rotate 180 degree, click on that, see picture is rotated. If we want to rotate left 90 degree, it's rotate. Right 90 degree, it's also rotate. Flip vertical, it's vertically. Horizontal, it's come in horizontal. In this way you can rotate the image. Next one is crop option. The crop option is used to crop a picture so that only the selected portion appears in your drawing. To crop an image, follow these steps. Crop the image means यदि हमें अनवांटेड पोर्शन को क्रॉप करना है या हटाना है, तब हम क्रॉप ऑप्शन का यूज करते हैं. Suppose this one option is unnecessary. So first you have to select that part with the use of rectangular selection. Select the part which you want to crop. Then you can see in home tab there is one option crop. Click on that. See, जो पोर्शन हमने सेलेक्ट किया है वही पोर्शन रहेगा. लेफ्ट पोर्शन विल बी crop. Okay. If we want last action, so how to do? Click undo button. See, in this way you can use MS Paint. So children, do the practice in your home. MS Paint में आप जितनी ज़्यादा ड्राइंग्स बनाएंगे, MS Paint के टूल्स को यूज़ करेंगे, आप उतने अच्छे से इसे सीख सकते हैं. Thank you children. Take care of yourself. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.